I'm Manjinder Singh, accepting the book reading challenge by DCMC. Last week, I got an opportunity to read a very motivational book by Shiv Kheda under the title You Can Win. Basically, this book is a workbook. This book starts with a chapter on positive attitude. Author says that positive attitude is the stepping stone of your success. For further, author says that to have positive attitude, we should develop a habit of doing the things just now. And we need to practice good things, like we should listen to others and find goodness in others. After that, this book points towards another chapter. That chapter is success. Yes, success, which everyone seek. Success, according to author, is like baking a cake. As in the baking of cake, we need every ingredient in the right quantity. Then only it can have. Similarly, author says, our thoughts are the causes. According to author, we sow a thought, we reap an action. We sow a thought, we reap an action. We sow an action, we reap a habit. We sow a habit, we reap a character. We sow a character, we reap destiny. So, my dear, it all starts with our thoughts. Third chapter of this book is toward a very important factor which differentiate between doers and non-doers. That factor is motivation. To motivate others, we should develop a habit of giving respect to others, giving recognition, and throwing a challenge toward them, and appreciation towards them. Then this book points towards another very important factor. That factor is positive self-esteem. As I have learned the importance of positive attitude and motivation, now after that I learned the value of positive self-esteem. To build positive self-esteem, I need to develop a habit to find good in others and to be more empathetic, to develop the confidence to accept the responsibilities and believe in teamwork. After that, this book points towards interpersonal skills. To develop this skill in us, we need to choose our words carefully and share good feeling with others, which are for the welfare of all. Then this book points towards the power of subconscious mind. According to this book, there is a great power in subconscious mind, and to learn a good habit or to leave a bad habit, the 21-day formula is also given in this book. Then this book carries us towards goal setting and values and vision. According to author, the goals can be of three types: short term, mid term, and long term. And goals should be SMART: S for specific, M for measurable, A for accessible, R for realistic, and T for time bound. Then author points towards the values and vision. According to him, he shares the quote of Mahatma Gandhi, according to which there are 7 sins. For example, pleasure without conscience, politics without principles, science without humanity. These are few of the common sins. Author says that we need to develop a good human character and remain motivated and work properly to achieve success. Friends, by reading this book, I got an opportunity to learn many human life concepts, and I am thankful to DCMC for giving me this opportunity to express my thoughts. Thank you.